Today we are going to switch out tail lights, rear corners or sides, and some front sides on the TL. I got a kit. I got some depots. Same ones I were on here before it got wrecked. These are a little different because my taillights actually flash on this car, or my wife's car, but stick around. All right, depending on how your car is, this one here has been repainted and the bottom bracket under the bumper was not put on, so made it easier. But you got 4 8mm back here, and you got your wiring harness plug right there. So this one's got flashing taillights, so it's modified a little bit. Basically, you take the gaskets off. Don't lose them because you need them. And then there are screws here for the LED board. You need those off. You need to take your bulb out. I'm done. Switch them. And then we move on to the next thing. Now once you get all this apart, you have to take this harness off of the LED board and feed it down through here and over to here. So when you put it back together, it can stay plugged in. It's a little challenging sometimes. It takes a minute. Stay patient.